Police arrest 4 suspects over a series of jewelry shop robberies in Accra and Takoradi. The Ghana Police Service has arrested 4 persons in connection with a series of armed robberies which occurred between April and October 2025, targeting jewelry shops in the Greater Accra and the Western region. Following a critical analysis of the gang's modus operandi and extensive intelligence gathering, the anti-armed robbery unit of the CID headquarters identified the following suspects. Suspect Abdul Aziz Mahmoud, also known as Justin Martin, an American national, as the mastermind who recruited and led the gang in carrying out the various operations. A number of these robbery attacks were captured by closed-circuit television cameras installed at the affected shops. Police have so far linked the following robbery cases to this particular gang. On 26 April 2025, at approximately 9:30 a.m., the gang attacked and robbed Rhyme Jewelry Shop at Westmart, Accra, making away with assorted gold, silver, and diamond jewelry valued at about 2 million Ghana cedis. The suspect used a hammer to smash the glass door of the shop before attacking the victims and stealing the items. Also, on 17th May 2025, between 10:45 a.m. and 11 a.m., the gang employed the same modus operandi, attacked a jewelry shop in Takoradi in the Western region and stole 11 trays of gold jewelry valued at about 17 million Ghana cedis. Also on 11 September 2025, the gang attacked a jewelry shop again near Nyahofene at Jewellery, Accra. 2 armed men arrived on a motorbike, attacked the shop attendant, broke the glass door, and made away with assorted jewelry valued at about 1,800,000 Ghana cedis. On 25th October 2025, the gang again attacked a jewelry shop at East Legon, Accra, and made away with assorted jewelry valued at about 2 million Ghana cedis. Another robbery occurred, at East Legon, which was a 2 million Ghana cedis. And then on 24th March 2026, following extensive intelligence gathering, a team from the anti-armed robbery unit of the CID headquarters arrested 4 suspects at Anya and Usu in the Greater Accra region. The suspects are Abdul Aziz Mahmoud, alias Justin Martin, age 40, Abubakar Mahmoud, age 28, Edgar Donko, age 33, and Donatus Donko, age 37. A search conducted at the residences of suspect Abdul Aziz Mahmoud and Abubakar Mahmoud at Anya led to the recovery of items believed to have been used in the robberies, including a toy pistol, a hammer, 2 power motorbikes, a crash helmet, hand gloves, a hood, a face mask, shoes, empty jewelry casings, and a jacket. It is interesting to note that several of these items correspond to exhibits which have been captured on CCTV footages from the scenes of the robbery. A search at the residence of suspect Edgar Donko also led to the recovery of a gold tester, a diamond tester, a drone, and assorted jewelry. During interrogation, all the suspects admitted to committing the various robberies in Accra and Takoradi. Suspect Abubakar Mahmoud mentioned one person at Oyarifa. We are withholding the name for investigation purposes. And this person is said to be the receiver of the stolen jewelry. Efforts are actively underway to locate and arrest the dishonest receiver to assist investigation. All 4 suspects are in police custody and will be put before the court. The Ghana Police Service assures the public that we will continue to pursue all criminal networks engaged in organized robbery with the full force of the law. On behalf of the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Christian Tete, I wish to commend all the officers who took part in these successful operations. We are also grateful once again to members of the public who always assist us with credible information leading to these arrests. We encourage everyone to continue to report any suspicious activity, whether online or in your communities, to the nearest police station or call any of the police emergency numbers for immediate action. Thank you very much for your attention.